Hi, this is Brian Haberlin from digitalarttutorials.com. This is a question I often get from young artists about how eyes work when you're moving them around. And a lot of people will keep the same eye shape and let the eyeball move around, but if you notice what happens to an eye when you move it around, if I look up, this is naturalistic, by the way. Look around, eyes go up, lower lid goes down, upper lid goes down as you go down. This is all naturalistic. This is how your eyes work when you're positioning this stuff, okay? Because a lot of times I'll have young artists that will move the eye all around and the eyelid will stay exactly the same, which is not how they work. So if I take this one, I'll move it over here so it's the same. Now, if I lower the eyelid, now expression can come into play here. So if I'm angry, then this is going to change. This is naturalistic, relaxed. If I move my eyes down, this is what eyelids do, okay? If I go ahead and go over to something that's going to have, it's going to be angry, like, so let's say this guy now is angry or irate or something like that, you can have the eyelids go big. That's a different expression, but that is a purposeful expression. That's not him relaxed, moving his eyes down. It's, oh my God, I'm going to get you, or oh my God, what is that? The other things that also, come into play when it comes to that is in changing his expressions of the eyebrows and things like that. But I'm just focusing on this quick little tutorial on the eyelids. Okay, so if you take the eyelids and you want to use them around naturally, think about what they do as the eyeball moves around in there. Okay, thanks. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please check out our website, digitalarttutorials.com. And if you have any friends or family you think might enjoy it, please, by all means, share away. There will be a lot more of this stuff coming up. I'm dialing up to do a lot more tutorials, so subscribe and stay tuned for more.